This is Ardeen with the torch. He's going to cut us some blacksmith tools. Try it. This is how blacksmith tools are made. With eye protection. Basically what he's doing is he's cutting this collar. He's cutting this collar right here to cut the bolts loose. And that's going to pop this free. There's a ball in here that we want for a blacksmith forming tool. Mixed a little bit there. Perfectamente. Why don't you just cut the bolts, no?
If they were nuts, you could cut the top.
That's the socket that sat in. This guy's doing over here. This guy's chopping up trash containers with the shear. He's crushing old trash cans. Trying to salvage the steel. Yeah, watch yourself over there, Roberto. That's popped right loose. There it is, there. Muy caliente, sí. Perfecto. Muchas gracias. Now he's going back to work cutting the real stuff. Thank you, guys.